And let's see how it goes with pulling the GTI in by myself. Part 1. Let's see. Let me clean up all this fucking green dust. Don't ask what I did. So that overspray covered all my goddamn tools. It is what it is. Some ASMR of me sweeping. Green paint all over the fucking floor. Oh my. Oh my. Alright. Let's see how this goes. Let's see how many attempts it takes me to move the GTI in the getaway. Oh, I wouldn't technically say getaway. Alright, come with me and you'll see a world of OSHA violation. Come with me and you'll see something you shouldn't do. Oh, bruh. So, I start to pushing, right? I think I should push with the hood down. I'm probably gonna need help, not gonna lie. I should go ask my dad for help. But we'll see. Man, I ain't no bitch. I do this shit by myself. We'll see right now. We'll see my struggles. Yeah, no, we're struggling. Shit all over the place. God damn. You ain't gonna need more people. Take 2. Hold on. Yeah, try to ignore the mess I have. If y'all see in this video, it's kind of messy. It's cool. It's my organized mess. Ah, fuck, man. While reinforcements come in, I'm gonna try to get as far as I can. I go to the gym for this. No, I don't. I really don't go to the gym for this. Some bullshit. It's like I had people for this. Now I don't even have. God damn. I should lower this a little bit more. Hold on. I drop it to the floor. Right about there. Oh no, my dad's looking at me. Nah, I'm away for Jesse. Because he's a bitch right now. Can I pull it, actually? Nope. I'm waiting for my boy Jesse. See if he gets here. Huh. Probably have to do something with the... Oh no. That's crazy. I'm literally tucking the wheel on the... Yeah, no, this car's have to go up a little bit. Oh my. Oh my. Okay, I'll wait for Jesse. In the garage. Come with me, and you'll see that I failed miserably.
Yeah, you picked the wrong co-host today, man. So how are we supposed to move this?
Okay, so you still want to go to the gym, right?
Yeah,
We might struggle because that wheel is rubbing. But we'll find out right now. Come on.
What do you want me to hold?
No, we're not holding anything. We're pushing. Just grab whatever. See, look, it's not that bad. You're probably doing all the work. I don't lie.
Yeah, fuck it. Yeah, you know I am. Blow me.
This mother.
What?
Yeah, we're good right there. This motherfucker said, "Blow me." Okay.
Push.
Said push.
Bro, didn't you just break your
Damn.
rule?
Oh my. Do not push. Do not touch.
Didn't you break your own rule by saying that forbidden word?
Yeah, but the car's about to fall off. Like it's. Yeah, I know. The car's about to fall.
All right.
Do not touch it.
hey, like Finding Nemo, hey.
Don't touch the butts. See? This is why you have 2 jacks.
Yeah, when you had one. I have a feeling it's not going to end well.
I don't think so either. Oh my god. All right, we got 2 jacks, bro.
Yeah, now we're stuck on the lip again.
No, we're not.
Oh, no?
No, we're all right, hold on. I don't think we're that centered.
You know what? No turning back now. We got it. We're pretty. No, come over here. Come over.
Think so?
Look. All right, maybe you turned it a little bit, but we're pretty good though. Look.
A little too close to the right side.
Yeah, but the left side is.
It's fine.
We got it.
It's fine. We got it.
Me.
We got it.
We
Did
got
you say
it.
blow me again?
Yeah.
I like how I need your help pushing.
Oh, I thought we were done.
Right there, we're good. We're
Look
good.
at that. See, I came in right for the end.
Now should we lower? I was about to lower the jack, and I'm like, wait, I got jack stands. Cool. You can't see me.
You seen the Drake leaks?
Why did I know you were gonna bring that up?
That's how you handle Drake. Now the moment of truth.
And that is how you don't drive a car.
1 second later.
Boom. Falls. Man, I'm scared, dog. I guess you don't push it forward or anything. It should be fine.
You'll be fine.
See?
Look at that.
You just gotta slap and say, yep, it's not going anywhere.
Yep, not going anywhere.
All right, we're done. And that is how you do it. The getaway. What are you dropping? What you pull? That is how you pull a car inside with just a jack stand. Or a jack. A jack. Alright guys, welcome back for another video. We're going to be working on the GTI. I got it back in the garage. Going to be installing the front and rear brake calipers with pads and rotors. Can also be throwing on the wheel start conversion kit. But these are my freshly painted calipers. That took me like a week to paint them because I had some mistakes. You know, I missed some spots. Had to go back, you know, spray them again. But now, all green and ready to go. So, stay tuned and yeah, that's how it goes. Hopefully nothing goes wrong. Yep, I just jinxed myself. Fuck. Man, that's a good thing about having Hondas. You know what's a good thing? That you have these bolts on hand. These are oil pump bolts from a Honda. And since they are like they're tapered and the rotor screw is tapered, just casually, you know. Oh, if I fucking line up the hole. That was a fail. Yeah, hold on. It's P3. There's the bullet hole. This is from an oil pump. Bada beam, bada boom, bolted back in. Look at this, look at this. Screw doesn't go anywhere. Boom. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, yeah, yeah. You know what I mean? Yeah, I mean. Cool. Look at that. That's how they're supposed to move, right? Right. This goes in and out, perfectly fine, smooth. This turns. Cool. Where's your end? Cool. Cool, that's good. So update, can't put the front calipers on because I gotta put the axles in once the motor's in, you know? So it's kind of me fighting against like having to remove them later in the future when the motor goes in, then having to put the axles in, so I just have to remove the rotors and calipers and all that. So there's no point in me putting those in. What I might actually put in, now that I'm thinking about it, so I struggled earlier, or a couple videos before, these little things. I finally got some, because apparently there's not supposed to have spacers, so 2 new ones, put those on, torque them to spec, and boom, it's all done. But some shit from Rock Auto came. This came a while ago for the YouTube editor's leaky coolant. You know, hers is leaking coolant all over the place, so the turbo pipe, that'll be fun to put on. That's what I bought it for, just the magnet. Just the Rock Auto magnet. Goes onto the fucking fridge of all my Rock Auto collection. Yeah, all the shit that I bought. All from Rock Auto. Okay, it's like, dude, it's cheaper. And good parts, you know? Got the exhaust hangers, rubber exhaust hangers. Do need those for the exhaust because those are shot. And timing belt kit for the GTI. Everything's new on the fucking motor as well. Yeah, new time belt. Won't touch that. Tensioner, water pump, other pulley. Yeah, we're good. So yeah, that's for the motor. I have on order the oil pump. I got new chain, new timing chain for the oil pump. I got the chain for the head because they'll just have 2 different ones. It's chain driven on the cams, so I have that new. And new tensioner on that one as well. All on order from Rock Auto. In case, you know, Rock Auto watches this. You know, just saying. But yeah, it's a little update. I'm gonna actually throw these on. That's what I put in the front calipers, but yeah, sometimes you plan on doing things and it just doesn't work well. That's okay. Because in the next video, it'll for sure go in. But yeah, that's a little update. Continue watching. Let's see. Yeah. This was never supposed to be on there. It's supposed to be just like that. things you find out at the junkyard when you go look for these. But anyways, it's fucking, yeah. See, unless this was like supposed to be for like camber or some shit, but I doubt it's supposed to be for camber. Good, good one, good, bad. Has a puck. It's like they made them themselves. Previous owner. Supposed to be like this with the rubber grommet on the side. See? Not going anywhere. That's the knuckle off though. It's okay. Put it back on the next one. On to the next one. But yeah, again, this is like supposed to be like for spacers. But yeah, I don't know. Again, I don't know what the fuck these were for. Like, what the fuck? Because it's supposed to be just the rubber piece over the metal, like this. Even though this one's fucking broken. But like that, pretty much like that. Just like that. Should I paint the engine bay? Nah, it's quick and easy, in and out type of shit. It's not wiring there I should fix and shit, you know? But that's for another one. That's for another day. Cool. I think that's I think this should be it for now. Cause I can't put the calipers on. The front ones. I got the rear ones in. Looking pretty green, you know? Looking pretty fucking green. I like it. I get hub sensor rings for the wheels. Cause I'm running these. I like these wheels. And yeah. Yeah. I'm tired.